Hey, what's up you guys? Max here with CAtuned Off-Road, and behind me is a Lexus GX550. In this video, we're going to show you how to install our brush bar. Pretty simple, guys. This brush bar is made out of 1 3/4 DOM 095 thickness if you want to get technical with it. Pretty simple tool. All you need is a 17 mil. This is a power ratchet. You can use a mechanical one. Your buddy and you can install this fairly quickly. So what we're going to do is show you how we remove the factory toe points and then install this. So let's go to that. So here are the factory toe points, one there and one there. We're going to remove this one and we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. So we're going to reuse these factory bolts here, guys. So keep those. You no longer need that toe hook factory. You can just kind of get rid of that. And next step is get a buddy. And we're going to put that in and screw it in. Okay, this is where the buddy comes in. Careful not to scratch the car. And we're actually going to install it with those red hooks, guys. Just one thing to remember is hand tighten everything. There you go, like he's doing. Because you might have a little bit of adjustment left and right on the bottom here. It's just hand tighten them. Same thing over here. Just like that. And of course we already have the lights mounted. So this is going to be on the website too. You can actually opt in with the lights and the brackets and a harness as well. Final adjustments here and we're ready to tighten this thing up. There is a little bit of play. You guys can go left to right, up and down. So make sure you kind of got it somewhat centered. All right, guys, it's that simple. Roughly 15 to 20 minutes and it's installed. Really easy. Couple of bolts and bam. It's that simple. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out on our website. Give us a call, email us, DM us, whatever. Thank you for watching.